Turkey and Europe are two popular destinations for dental tourism, offering quality care at a fraction of the cost compared to countries like the United States. One of the most sought-after procedures by dental tourists is dental crowns, which can help restore a smile and improve oral health. But which destination offers more affordable dental crowns? Turkey has been gaining popularity as a dental tourism destination in recent years, thanks to its high-quality care, skilled dentists, and affordable prices. Dental crowns in Turkey are significantly cheaper compared to Europe, making it an attractive option for patients looking to save money without compromising on quality. One of the main reasons why dental crowns in Turkey are more affordable is the lower cost of living and labor compared to European countries. This allows Turkish dental clinics to offer competitive prices while still providing top-notch services. Additionally, the government has made efforts to promote dental tourism, investing in state-of-the-art facilities and training for dental professionals. Another factor that contributes to the affordability of dental crowns in Turkey is the currency exchange rate. The Turkish lira has been depreciating in value in recent years, making it more affordable for foreign patients to pay for dental treatments in Turkey. This makes Turkey an even more attractive option for patients looking for cost-effective dental solutions. On the other hand, Europe also offers high-quality dental care, but at a higher cost compared to Turkey. European countries like Germany, France, and the UK have well-established healthcare systems and stringent regulations that ensure the quality and safety of dental treatments. However, these standards come at a price, with dental crowns in Europe costing significantly more than in Turkey. Despite the higher cost, some patients may prefer to have dental crowns in Europe due to factors like convenience, language barriers, and proximity to home. European countries also have a reputation for advanced technology and innovation in dentistry, which may be appealing to patients seeking the latest advancements in dental care. Ultimately, the decision between getting dental crowns in Turkey or Europe comes down to personal preferences and priorities. Patients looking for affordability and quality may find Turkey to be the best option, while those prioritizing convenience and expertise may opt for Europe. In conclusion, both Turkey and Europe offer quality dental care, but Turkey stands out as a more affordable option for dental crowns. With competitive prices, skilled dentists, and a growing reputation as a dental tourism destination, Turkey is a top choice for patients seeking cost-effective solutions for their dental needs. However, it is essential for patients to do their research, read reviews, and consult with dental professionals before making a decision on where to get dental crowns to ensure they receive the best treatment possible.